Jack Ma, the co-founder of Alibaba Group, epitomizes the journey from adversity to success, showcasing resilience, innovation, and unwavering determination. Born on September 10, 1964, in Hangzhou, China, Ma's early life was marked by modest means and numerous setbacks. After graduating with a degree in English from Hangzhou Teachers Institute, Ma faced rejection in his job search, including being turned down for a role at KFC and multiple unsuccessful attempts to gain admission to Harvard University. Ma had no experience with computers or coding, but he was captivated by the internet when he used it for the first time during a trip to the US in 1995. He had recently started a translation business and made the trip to help a Chinese firm recover a payment. Ma's first online search was beer, but he was surprised to find that no Chinese beers turned up in the results. It was then that he decided to found an internet company for China. Undeterred by initial failures, Ma rallied a group of friends in his apartment to brainstorm ideas for leveraging the internet. This collaboration gave birth to Alibaba in 1999, an online marketplace connecting Chinese manufacturers with global buyers. Operating from humble beginnings, with Ma using his apartment as the company's headquarters, Alibaba faced fierce competition and financial challenges in its early days. However, Ma's perseverance and belief in his vision propelled Alibaba forward, embracing his philosophy of learning from failure and never giving up. Ma steered Alibaba through adversity. His leadership and strategic vision guided the company's expansion beyond e-commerce into digital payments, Alipay, cloud computing, Alibaba Cloud, logistics, Canyon Network, and entertainment. In 2014, Alibaba made history with its record-breaking initial public offering, IPO, solidifying its position as a global e-commerce giant. Ma's entrepreneurial journey has not only transformed China's digital landscape, but has also inspired countless aspiring entrepreneurs worldwide. Though Ma stepped down as Alibaba's chairman in 2019, his legacy endures as a beacon of inspiration. His story serves as a testament to the power of perseverance, innovation, and unwavering determination in the face of adversity, inspiring individuals to chase their dreams and redefine what's possible in the world of business.